Hello everyone, welcome back to the Legal Beat channel. Today I have something special for you. Today SEBI Grade A Legal 2025 results are out and we have some fantastic news to share. In the legal stream, out of 20 vacancies, 14 of our IxamBee students have found their names in the final merit list. So a huge congratulations to all 14 selected candidates. Your hard work, consistency and determination have truly paid off, and you are a shining example of what focused preparation can achieve. Now, let's talk about you. If you are thinking of preparing for SEBI Grade A Legal exam this year, this is the perfect time to start your journey. Our new SEBI Grade A Legal batch is starting from the 1st of July 2026. If you begin now, you give yourself enough time for concept building, practice, revision, and mock tests. Any delay beyond this point only makes your preparation more costly and your returns from every hour of study relatively lower. So, before you decide on this, we have something very valuable for you. We are conducting a free workshop for all SEBI streams, including the legal stream. In this workshop, we will discuss the complete exam pattern, past year cutoff trends, detailed paper analysis, topic wise weightage, and a practical preparation strategy based on what actually works in this exam. So, this is going to be a very insightful and high value session, and it is completely free to attend. So, if you're seriously contemplating this exam, if you're on the fence and want clarity about whether this particular exam is the right exam for you or not and how do you crack it, then this workshop is the ultimate thing for you. The registration link for the free workshop again is given in the description below, right? Go ahead, fill the registration form and book your seat right now. Remember, the next big SEBI legal selection from IxamBee could be you. And we are genuinely keen to guide you and support you at every step of your preparation journey. Now, a quick word about the course. In our SEBI Grade A Legal course, your preparation is covered through multiple structured modules so that you don't have to worry about what to study and how to study. So you have pre-recorded video lessons. These are short 15, 25 minutes crisp concept clarity sessions designed so you can understand and revise quickly. Then you have live classes where you can interact, ask doubts, get guidance in real time. Then there is detailed study notes so that your revision is faster and more focused. Then there are certain practice modules like descriptive question tests, chapter tests, section tests, mock tests, MCQ booklets, even assignment based live classes are also there. So all your legal and non-legal subjects are comprehensively covered in one place. So your preparation stays organized and integrated. If you want to check out our SEBI legal courses, the link is in the description below. Do take a look and see which plan fits your preparation needs the best. That's it for this short update. Once again, congratulations to all selected candidates and to all aspirants watching this. This might be your turning point if you decide to start today. See you in the workshop and hopefully inside the new batch. All the best.